to make money online doing simple tasks. So in today's video guys, I'll be teaching you guys how you can make money online doing simple tasks on your phone or your laptop guys. It does not really matter whatever device you are using, either a smartphone, either a laptop or an iOS device or an Android device. This is really going to work on any kind of device you are using. Guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how you can make your first $100 online guys. So if this is your first time of seeing me here on YouTube, my name is Ola. I'm an internet marketer, a YouTuber. I literally do here on my channel is teach people how to make money online. I teach people how to start up some side hustle that's going to make them money every single month. So guys, and I also teach people, I teach entrepreneurs, business owners, business organization how they could grow their business and how they could make massive sales to their business. If this is what you are really interested in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I drop awesome videos on this. And also don't forget to like this video, comment down below if you are really getting any value from this. So guys, before I proceed to this video, I would like to show you guys some proof to tell you that the person you are about to learn from is someone with experience. So I'll be going to my laptop screen right now. I'll be showing you some proof of the earnings I've earned from this method I'm about to teach you guys. Guys, let's quickly go to my laptop screen right now to show you guys some proof. So right here, I'm on my laptop screen right now, and you can see right here I'm on my dashboard on the site I'll be revealing to you guys on how to make money doing simple tasks. You can see right here I'm on my dashboard right here, and you can see this is how my dashboard look like. And if I come over here, you could see right here I've earned a sum of $100, and you can see right here this is $330 pending right now. Sorry. So you can see right here to tell you this site I'm about to reveal to you is a legit website you can really make money from doing simple tasks on your phone or your laptop right now. You can see right here, this is my total earnings on the app, on the site. You can see right there. Again guys, I'm going to refresh the page. You can see right here is loading. I'm refreshing the page to tell you this is not some scam. It's reloading, it's reloading, it's reloading. You can see right here the money is still here. You can see right here this is $100 and $30 pending right there to tell you this site I'm about to reveal to you guys it's a legit site. So guys, I'll be heading over to my phone screen right here to teach you guys how you could create your account on this app and how you could withdraw your money and how you could go about doing simple tasks that's going to fetch you some money on your phone right now. You could hear me guys. So if you're really getting value from this, don't forget to subscribe to your boy and turn on notification so you'll be notified anytime I drop awesome video on this. You could see right here it's already done reloading. This right here is not loading anymore. You could see right here I'm on my dashboard right now. This is live. I'm recording this to you live. You could see right here I'm recording this to you live. Guys, I hope you guys saw the earnings on my screen. So right now let's get right into today's video. So the name of the website we'll be using to make this the money you saw on my screen is called Sprite Geek. And by the way, the link to this website is in the description below. All you just need is to click the first link you're gonna see in the description below. It's gonna take you straight to where I am right now. So this is the name of the website is called Sprite Geek. And by the way, you could use the link in the description below. So yeah, I know you guys may be thinking, okay, what is this platform all about? So Sprite Geek is just a freelancer platform. It's a freelance platform whereby individuals and business owners come over to Sprite Geek to hire freelancers. You can see right here you could hire many freelancers as you want. And yeah guys, we are not really interested in the freelancing part of Sprite Gig. What we're really interested in is the micro jobs on Sprite Gig. Maybe in my next video I'll be teaching you on how you can make close to $500 from freelancing. But if you want me to make the video for you, just drop the comment in the comments below and I'm going to make this video for you. So right now what we're really interested in is doing some micro jobs on Sprite Gig. And by the way, Sprite Gig also offer you to be able to do micro job, like you following someone on Instagram, you like someone post on Facebook, you subscribe to someone YouTube channel. These are the kind of job you can do on Sprite Gig micro tax. So all you need right now to start making this money is to sign in. But for the purpose of this video, I've already created an account for the purpose of this video. So I'll just be signing into my account right now to show you the inside on how Sprite Gig literally looks like. So just click on this sign up button, and then you're gonna be asked to fill in your you see you'll be asked to fill in your real name, your email, your password, and your nickname, and put in your country. And once you are done, just click on sign up right here. Just click on sign up. But for the purpose of this video, I already created an account for this tutorial, so I'll be logging into my account right now to show you how Sprite Link is. So you can see right here, I'm just going to log in into my account. So guys, once you're done creating your account on Sprite Gig, this is how your account is gonna look like. You're gonna have zero kobo. You see right now, you're gonna have zero kobo. I just created this new account for the purpose of this tutorial. So what we are really interested in is like completing micro jobs on Sprite Gig. So all in order to locate the micro jobs, just click this place right here. You'll be gonna see when you see right here. This is the micro job. Just click on micro jobs, then click on find job. It's gonna load, and yeah, it's done loading. So you can see right here, these are the kind of job you could complete on Sprite Gig. You can see right now, you just need to comment on someone's video and you're gonna get paid on $1. You see right here, follow someone on Instagram, you're gonna get paid $0.50. You see right now, this is really crazy. This, you can really make a lot of money from this. You see right here, this are tasks you could do, and these are simple tasks you could do to start making some money from yourself. You see right here, this is to complete and download simple PDF, and you get paid this amount of money. You can see right here, this is really crazy. So this was the job I was doing. That was how I was able to make over $100 plus, almost $130 on my account right now. And like I said, this is a new account. I had to create this account for the purpose of this video. And yeah, so you could see actually, let me go over to my calculator and do some maths for you right now. So let me quickly head over to my calculator. And by the way, you can do this on your smartphone, your laptop. You can see right here, I'm doing this on my phone. Because right here, let's just say you are getting paid $1 for every tax you do. So you just need to times $1 times like 100 tax. That is a whooping $100 for yourself right now. So you can see this is the best way and easy way to make money online doing simple tax. So if you are really getting any value from this, don't forget to smash your boy, subscribe to your boy, like this video and comment down below. So you can see right here, let me show you how you could complete this task. All you just need to click on the task you want to complete. Just click on it, and I'm gonna it's loading. You can see right here, you need to read the instruction carefully. You can see right here, this is what is expected from workers. This is what is expected from workers. So in order to complete the job, just click on hold on, click on the link, and you just click open. Then once you click on open, it's going to redirect us to the website we'll be completing this offer on. Because right here, just telling us we should comment on the video, and once you are done commenting on the video, you're gonna get paid $1. It's as simple as that, guys. So guys, you can see right here, this is a great option of you making money online. If you have not really made your first dollars online, this is a great option of making money online. You could see, just imagine you just following someone on Instagram and you're getting paid $1, liking someone post on Instagram, you're getting some dollars, some cents, and from there you could pick up and start making some money from yourself. So I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw from this platform. All you just need to go to your wallet, how you could withdraw your money from Sprite Gig. So once you have enough money on Sprite Gig, all you just need is to click on your wallet, and you could locate your wallet by just clicking on this arrow right here. All you just need to do is to click on this arrow right here, and you could see the wallet option. You just click on the wallet option, and like I said earlier, this is a new account, so if you do not have any money on this account, you won't be able to withdraw. So you have to have at least $3 to like $5 for you able to withdraw from this. And also maybe in my next video I'll be showing you how to make money from completing service with this platform. So in order to withdraw your money, just click on the wallet right here. Click on where the wallet is. Click on where the wallet is, and once you click on it, and I think the payment method for this is through PayPal. And you guys know, okay, you guys know that PayPal is not available in Nigeria. Because right here, the withdrawals are processed within 10 business days of placing a request. So the payment method for this platform is through PayPal, and yeah, the payment method for this platform is through PayPal. So you could just set your payment method right here from the account setting. So, and you guys know PayPal is banned in Nigeria, but there's still a way you can still withdraw your money from this account. And yeah, guys, in my next video, watch out for the next video. I'll be dropping how you could create a verified PayPal account that could send and receive money right here in Nigeria. And again, guys, I'll be showing you everything you need to know on how to create a verified and working PayPal account. So the only method right here is through PayPal and Bitcoins. But if you have a Bitcoins account, you could withdraw your money through Bitcoins. But I would advise you use PayPal, because if you're withdrawing your money through Bitcoins, you have to meet at least $100 threshold for you to be able to withdraw through Bitcoins. But if you're using PayPal, all you just need is just $5, and then from there they're going to send you your money into your PayPal account. And by the way, if you know you have getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to your boy, turn on notification so you'll be notified anytime I drop awesome video. And also, guys, if you want to learn the method I'm using in making $2,000 online, if you want to start making your first $2,000 online, I would advise you check out the second link in the description to go read the step-by-step book that's going to teach you on how you can make your first $2,000. This book is going to teach you how you could create an online business that's going to generate you some passive income online. So guys, I love you all. Stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe to my video, like this video, share if you know you have gotten any value, and I'm going to see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now.